So, chances are today, most people, most organisations run their IT services in-house or potentially using suppliers for smaller and incidental capabilities. But do you actually need to run your own IT service? Now, historically, a lot of organisations had the choice of outsourcing, but we have to say outsourcing hasn't worked very well where you just give your entire capability over to somebody else. But if we look at a particular subset of organisations where Fordway particularly target and work very well with, you should possibly look at alternatives, because for the medium to large enterprises we specialise in dealing with, and these are organisations with a few hundred to a few thousand users, their IT is suddenly starting to get quite complicated. So a small company can manage typically on one or two systems, but in these areas they might have a myriad of different systems that need integration, security and management. Now, Fordway has had a lot of experience working with the public sector and particularly with local authorities and NHS organisations. And one of the key characteristics of these is that they are effectively 30 or 40 different departments, each with their own systems, operating as part of a single organisation. So by its very definition, their IT is pretty complicated. But they don't have unlimited amounts of money, and with austerity, they've had to do more with less for a long time. And we've learnt an awful lot. We've worked with these organisations for over 15 years now, and we've helped hundreds of them to achieve better results faster. And there's a lot of commercial organisations of that size and capability that also have the same issues. You have a very complicated IT infrastructure, but you don't have the ability and the capability to run it effectively, or in some cases afford the levels of resilience and capability you need. This is where we can help by first of all providing the expertise and potentially the platform, either from our own data centres or from the public cloud, that will allow you to run your IT more effectively with our assistance. And we can take on as much or as little of helping you ensure your day-to-day operations run effectively as you need. Fordway are also very, very good at change. We've been delivering IT transformation and change for over 25 years. We have done this for thousands of organisations successfully. And for most organisations, typically their in-house IT service is pretty good, because this is what they do, of running your own IT service day to day. Where the issues often come is when you need to implement a change for business improvement or other reasons that suddenly affects the core infrastructure, and you want to be able to deliver that effectively with minimal risk and maximum capability, and also the minimum disruption to your organisation. And once that change is in place, you then want to be able to do it, run it effectively. So we can help first of all by guaranteeing that we can provide that platform wherever you choose to run it and help you meet your service level agreements. But secondly, we're used to change. We love change. We have teams of people who all they do is help organisations implement change. And by helping you deliver that effectively, we give you that better result faster. So therefore, just have a think. If you're looking at that big project, do you need a bit of help? Or if your current IT service isn't delivering the capability and resilience and reliability and service levels you want, could it be worth coming and having a conversation to see if there is a better way of doing it?